Struggling to keep up with endless social media posts? Wasting hours creating and scheduling content every week? Meet BuzzAgents AI, your smart content automation partner. AI agents generate and post tailored content for you. Before, manual posting, constant stress, missed opportunities. After, automated workflow, consistent posts, more free time. BuzzAgents AI boosts efficiency and adapts to your needs. Ready to simplify your social media? Try BuzzAgents AI today. Want to see how BuzzAgents AI can skyrocket your results? Hit the link in the description to uncover the details. Now, let's dive in and see what this powerhouse is really all about.
Imagine AI agents that don't just create generic posts and videos, but learn about your business, creating thousands of unique content pieces about it in your style, then smartly posting them 100% for you without you needing to schedule. Sounds crazy, but in this demo video, we're going to go over how to do just that. How to leverage custom-trained AI social agents that create and schedule unique posts and videos endlessly in your brand style about your business, growing your social media for you as if you had a giant team. As you'll see soon, BuzzAgents AI is super easy to use. First, create your AI social agent and train them. Create your own AI social agent with custom personality and expertise from scratch, or pick from tons of done-for-you agents ready to go. Then train your agent on any information so they create business-specific content in your brand and style, not parroted generic information from ChatGPT. This is the key to making social campaigns that actually sell your product and stand out. Next, choose the number of variations. Choose to create content and tell your agent how many variations of it you want. Enter a seed keyword and generate multiple unique posts, videos, images, and more for each keyword using AI variation tech for mass unique content. Plus, find viral videos that are trending from our video finder or a done-for-you database to use and repurpose inside the app. Step 3, customize if needed. Use the drag and drop AI post and image maker to edit your post content exactly how you want with templates, and add AI images, headlines, emojis, edit text, and more. Or use the Cloud AI Video Maker to choose cool styles, add ultra-realistic voiceovers or voice cloning, and make AI videos exactly how you need for any social platform with drag and drop editing. Then add to content scheduling streams. Create smart AI content streams or collections of, say, quotes, or another stream of AI articles, or another stream of viral videos for each individual client. Specify when each type of stream will post to the client's social media. For example, quotes content stream can post each Monday and Friday at 2 p.m. The content stream of viral videos will post weekly 3 p.m. on Wednesday, etc. Then the AI agent posts everything forever. Your agent posts and reposts automatically forever, no rescheduling needed. Your feed looks alive, your audience stays hooked, and you stay completely hands-off if desired. Bonus step. Plus, you're getting paint-by-numbers affiliate training from experts that have done millions of dollars in affiliate commissions on how to run an affiliate marketing business with this AI tech doing the heavy lifting. Okay, so let's dive into the app in more detail now so you can see how incredible this is. To get started, create a new AI campaign or continue to edit a previous campaign you've already started working with. Add any clients you're going to be working with for this campaign and connect their social media accounts so everything is organized. Then choose to assign any AI social agents to this campaign. Choose to create your own AI social agent that's a clone of you, a business owner, or any expert online. Easily train them on any brand voice and expertise so they create posts and videos in the way you need. Or choose a done-for-you AI agent, like Gen Flex, that will create content in an energized, punchy style with expertise about motivation and fitness. Or Clara Convert, who's trained on high-ticket affiliate products ready to make profitable affiliate campaigns for you. Or use Ellie Empath for soft, intuitive content centered around connection, and tons more. Okay, so for this campaign, we're creating content for a bodybuilding social campaign, so we'll choose this athletic, energetic agent to help our content stand out from the masses. Note that you can create multiple AI agents that work together for any campaign. Then once the AI agent is created, edit their base prompt and all the content they will be trained on. Connect web pages, upload files, or write text manually to help train the agent. When creating the content, your agent will use a mix of AI from major models plus your own business-specific knowledge, so the posts are about your business and help sell your unique products and expertise. To untrain an agent, simply delete the specific training and they'll forget it. Okay, now it's time to start creating mass amounts of quality content for our social accounts. Go to Content Campaigns and hit Create Content. Choose to create text-only content for posts, post plus AI image content, AI videos, or upload your own images, videos, or text to post and schedule. First, let's choose to create post plus AI images. Fill in your information including client, campaign name, which agent will be creating the content, then choose to enter a brief description about what you want the content to be about, or enter a more detailed prompt. Next, choose the number of variations. The key to winning social media is to be posting around the clock, and BuzzAgent's AI variation technology will create many variations of the same post idea, so you'll have mass unique content to post around the clock. Then select the type of social post you want to create. Let's create some Instagram content for this example. Choose if you want your AI agent to create the content and post it for you according to a schedule, like each week, if you want to manually schedule it, or if you want to schedule it later after editing. Hit Next to have our AI agent create our content. Okay, awesome. The content is ready to be posted to our socials already, but you can edit anything about it if desired. Just click Edit and view and regenerate the post caption if you want. Add text, emojis, images, and more to customize your image however you need. You can upload your own content or regenerate the AI image with a new prompt if you don't like it. Okay, now let's have our AI agents make some business-specific AI videos to really start growing our socials fast. Navigate back to Content Campaigns and let's choose Video Post this time and fill in the details like before. Describe what you want your video to be about, or choose detailed prompting to get it exactly right. Choose the length of the video. Pick the number of variations and type of video. BuzzAgents AI can make native videos for just about every major social network in different dimensions too. Hit Next to customize the script, style, and more in detail. Your AI agent will present you with some ideas to use based off the keyword you entered. Pick one or even add your own video idea. Then edit the video title and post description with tags. Then preview your actual video script and edit it if you want, or choose to regenerate it if you don't like it. Then select a video theme, including 3D realistic, anime, fairy tale, and more to suit your brand. Preview or edit the thumbnail that will get posted to YouTube, then choose to add an AI voiceover from our suite of ultra-realistic AI voiceovers in many different styles and voices. Or connect your 11 Labs account to use your own clone voice for your videos too. Hit Next and choose to make an AI image-based video or a clips-based video for social media. Okay, then you'll be able to preview and customize the final details of your video with the drag and drop cloud editor. Preview and change around each slide image if desired. Add new AI images, custom images, or even video clips if you want. Edit the text and change the style however you need. Edit the voiceover or record and upload your own voiceover too. Enable AI character avatars by uploading an image or anyone else's image for an AI animated speaker on top of your videos. Add music, animation, subtitles, and just about anything else you want to make the video awesome. Hit Render to finalize, and let's have our AI agent smartly schedule it over and over for us without having to reschedule it. If you haven't selected AI Auto Schedule already, we can choose to schedule any of our content to our social media once, or add it to a content posting stream to smartly post over and over at a desired time during the week. Content streams, found here, allow you to schedule specific collections of content that will post over and over at a certain time. For example, you can create a content stream of viral videos that will post every Friday at 2 p.m., another of Instagram quotes that will post every Monday and Wednesday at 11 a.m., for example. Then at Friday at 2 p.m., the AI will choose a video from your viral video content stream to post without you having to reschedule it. Simply hit Create, choose your type of content stream, give it a name, a description, and then hit Save. Then any content that gets created can be assigned to a content stream in a click to post over and over for years to come. Navigate to the content calendar to view when all your content will be going out and schedule any specific content stream to any social account fast and easy. Need ideas of what to post? Use the viral database to see hot posts and videos for any niche ready to download, repurpose, or draw inspiration from. Easily edit any viral post content you find to rebrand it under your account with a custom post editor, or edit any viral video you find with a viral video editor and rebrander. Okay, so just with these features alone, you'll be able to dominate your competition and grow any social account to huge numbers with real engagement, leads, and sales. But if you can believe it, BuzzAgents AI is loaded with even more features than that. I mean, never before has it been this easy to not just create amazing AI posts, videos, but have all that be in your brand voice about your specific business and products. Plus, have it all scheduled for you perpetually with no rescheduling needed, just as if you had a huge social agency with employees working around the clock, learning about your business, creating mass amounts of content to post 24/7. Attention is the new currency, and there's nothing out there that helps you capture it better than BuzzAgents AI.